So I just worked with one of our students in Groundbreaking Growth, and he was been building his own GoDaddy website. And I spent like an hour with him on his GoDaddy website. And I was fixing a few things, and I was like, let's be honest, like this is never going to look the way you want it to look. Like you're not a
Right.
website developer, and I have no idea how to use GoDaddy Web Builder. Um, so what we did was I actually said, hey, let's go use ChatGTP, input all this information about your business, who you are, the values, the foundations, your mission statement, the people you want to work with, the types of services you want to do. And then let's start building out the written content for the homepage, the About Us page, the Contact Us page, the 4 services that you want to have on the website. And then we started writing out all that copy and content for each one of those pages. And then we got a little technical, like now let's write the meta titles, meta descriptions, and all this stuff for the website pages. And we just built a spreadsheet with all this information in it. And I was like, now go take this and a folder of images that you want on your website and go hire a freelancer on Fiverr.com. And because you're this organized, they'll have it done in a week and you'll be up and running for a fraction of time and just a little bit of money.